Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making a soft focaccia. I will start with the flour. Now I'll put the yeast. I'll put the salt. This is sea salt. And this is warm water. Okay, and I'll start mixing everything. So you do it like this for about a minute. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil, olive oil. It's done. So you do this for a minute like this, the way I did it, and it's done now. Okay, so now I'm going to add the ingredients that go inside. Okay, here I have some all colors tomatoes, which this kind you can buy them in the grocery store, right? And I'm going to be cutting this in half. They're all washed. Make sure they're washed. And these are olives, Kalamata olives. They're already pitted. There's no bone inside. So I'm going to cut those up. Here I have oregano. Okay, I will put a teaspoon of oregano and I will cut fast these tomatoes. Cut them in half. I would leave these for the top for later. Now the olives. I'm going to leave this for later when I put the dough in the pizza pan. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix it. Okay, and it's all done. So you can put saran wrap on top if you want, or you can just put a lid like this, and you can put it in a warm place to rise. I'm just gonna leave it on the counter for now. We'll wait until it doubles the size. So make sure it's covered and I'll see you later. Okay, the dough, it's ready. And this is 2.5 hours later. See all the bubbles? Looks good, eh? Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the pan. Make sure you grease your pan really well. I did grease the pan with shortening. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my hand a little bit with olive oil. Okay. And this is a 16-inch pizza pan. Okay, get everything. Okay, so with your fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna add a few more tomatoes on top. And this will go straight in the oven. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Looks so colorful. Okay, I'll do the olives. Okay, you don't have to put the extra olives. You can just do the inside if you want. but I like to put some on the top. And now a little bit of oregano. And this is optional as well. If you don't want to put the oregano, you don't have to. Drizzle some olive oil. Okay, and it's ready to go in the oven. I gotta check if it's ready. Yeah, the oven is ready. Looks good, huh? Okay. And I'll see you later when it comes out of the oven. Okay, the pizza's ready, or the focaccia. Beautiful. I will cut it and show you what it looks like once it cools off. It's too hot to cut it. Oops. I like to cut it with the scissors. Nice big pieces. Looks good. I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. It's yummy. The Kalamata Olives and the cherry tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.